In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a website from scratch using Hostinger, even if you have zero experience with web design or development. Hostinger makes the process incredibly simple by providing a built-in website builder, ready-made templates, and easy customization tools so you can launch a professional website in just a few minutes. Whether you want to build a business website, a personal portfolio, a blog, or even a landing page for your brand, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss the final step where we publish the website and make it live on the internet. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple website and tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first step is to log into your Hostinger dashboard. Once you're logged in, look at the top menu and click on Websites. Inside this section, you'll see an option that says Add Website. Go ahead and click on that. Hostinger will now ask you how you want to create your website. You'll see multiple options here, but for the easiest method, choose Website Builder. This option allows you to build a full website visually without writing any code. After selecting Website Builder, Hostinger will ask you to pick a template for your website. Templates are pre-designed layouts that already include sections like headers, images, text areas, and buttons. This saves you a lot of time because you don't have to design everything from scratch. Browse through the available templates and choose one that best fits the type of website you want to create. For example, if you're creating a business website, you can choose a business template. If you're building a portfolio, choose a portfolio layout. Or if you want to start a blog, you can select a blog style template. Don't worry too much about picking the perfect design right now, because you can customize everything later. Once you select your template, Hostinger will open the Website Builder editor. This is where you can fully customize your website. You'll see a visual editor where you can click directly on different elements and change them instantly. Start by editing the text on your page. Click on headings, paragraphs, and buttons to replace the placeholder text with your own content. For example, you can change the main heading to your business name, add a description of what you offer, or create a call to action button for visitors. Next, replace the images in the template with your own images. Simply click on an image, upload your own photo, or choose from Hostinger's built-in image library. High-quality images can make your website look much more professional, so take a moment to choose visuals that represent your brand or content well. After that, you can start adjusting the layout of your website by adding, removing, or rearranging sections. Most templates come with sections like hero banners, service descriptions, testimonials, contact forms, and footers. If you don't need a section, you can delete it, and if you want to add something new, you can insert additional sections from the Builder's menu. You can also customize the overall style of your website by changing colors, fonts, and design settings. This helps match the site to your brand identity. For example, you might change the main color to match your logo, or choose a font style that fits your brand personality. As you make these changes, it's a good idea to regularly preview your website. Hostinger allows you to see how your site will look on both desktop and mobile devices. This is important because many visitors will be viewing your site from their phones. Make sure the layout looks clean, readable, and easy to navigate on both screen sizes. Once you're happy with the design and content of your website, the next step is to connect your domain. If you already purchased a domain through Hostinger, you can simply select it from the list and attach it to your website. If you purchased a domain somewhere else, you can connect it by updating the domain's DNS settings. After your domain is connected, you're ready for the final step. Click the Publish button inside the Hostinger website builder. Within a few seconds, your website will go live, and anyone on the internet will be able to visit it using your domain name. And that's it. You've just created a website from scratch using Hostinger. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tech tutorials that make things simple. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.